I received this beautiful bathroom hardware from Amazon, and me and my awesome hubby are going to show you how to install this. So here's the beautiful hardware. We have the one for the bath towel and one for the toilet roll and like for a robe or something and for a hand towel. It comes with a little glove and all the hardware here. So we're going to show how this is installed and how you can use it. So now we are showing you how to install all of these things. All done. The towel rack, robe hook, hand towel holder, and the toilet roll holder. So here's the robe hook being used, my husband's lovely robe, and the hand towel holder. Here we have the towel rack and the lovely toilet roll holder here, and the beautiful black metal towel rack. This just elevated our bathroom to a whole new level.